The recent run-up in the US dollar index has created a havoc across the world. Watch this complete video to know more. The move in US dollar prices has pushed Europe into recession and also pushed a lot of countries into fighting a big inflation battle. So much so that many central banks across the globe are today increasing the interest rates to unbelievable levels. You may wonder why. Why is it that the US dollar is so important to the world? Just to give you a fact, the world literally saves in US dollar, trades in US dollar. As you can see, the world literally thrives on US dollar. Therefore, when something happens to US dollar, the world is on fire. So much so that Sri Lanka has already almost declared bankruptcy and Europe is fighting inflation. Not just because of US dollar, of course, also because of Russia and Ukraine war. Now, you may think, why is US Federal Bank doing nothing about US dollar? If you dig a little deeper, you will realize that US imports a lot of commodities and few other things which are important for its economy. By keeping US dollar higher, they keep the prices of those imports lower, thereby keeping the inflation lower, especially in the US. Now let us understand what is the reason behind this tremendous rally of US dollar index. US dollar index, which is popularly known as DXY, had the best year of its life. The DXY is up 14% this year. Now the primary reason for that is nothing but the increase in interest rates by Fed to fight the local inflation. This has led to a lot of investors who had invested in emerging markets and other currencies to go towards US so that they can use the higher interest rates to park all their investments. This has led to tremendous amount of demand for US dollar across the globe, and that has led to 14% rise in DXY. Now you may think, why is the world not doing anything about it? There are many superpowers. China, which is a worthy competitor, is toothless at this point in time because their economy itself is under tremendous amount of slowdown. Europe could have done better, but unfortunately, the poor economy and inflation and the gas supply from Russia has affected it so badly that it is struggling to find its feet in the economy right now. This has led to many countries going to IMF for additional set of funds. Sri Lanka, Serbia, and of course our neighbor Pakistan have all approached IMF to figure a way out of this complex situation that they are in right now. What is the solution now, you may think? I'll tell you. India is relatively doing okay. And in my opinion, this is one solution for this entire USD problem. Trade in your own local currency. Whatever India has done with Russia for their oil supply, which is nothing but buying oil in INR, is a great solution for this big issue. This is the only way to reduce our dependency on global currency. I know it will take its own sweet time to show the real results, but we are in the right direction. If global emerging market countries actually start practicing this, maybe you will see that the impact of US dollar may not really affect us a lot. Thank you so much for watching this video. Good luck. Happy investing.